and it is my great honor to welcome you all to C3 AI Transform 2025. In many ways, C3 AI is the original enterprise AI company. And we started thinking, what was next? What was on the horizon as it relates to computing?
In a snowstorm, everything turns white. You have no idea what direction is where you're going. If you don't have clarity of direction as you lead yourself through this, you may go in circles and you will definitely not survive.
This is all about solving the unsolvable. And as an engineer, there are a ton of what are deemed as unsolvable problems.
I try and learn from the past, so I constantly improve. And I try and imagine the future so I can participate in shaping it instead of becoming a victim of it.
I would like to see a democracy win this race. The United States needs to run hard and fast.
Yeah.
Really, really hard and fast.
Yeah.
And I'm not one for much in the way of regulation in this regard. I know that there will be some mistakes. I know that human beings have always been better at the knowledge part than at the wisdom part, but I'll take my chances.
I'm super excited about being able to unleash the power of our data. You have to have the fortitude to stick with this, and the payoff is big if you do.
C3 offers giant noise-canceling headphones. With all of the activity happening in AI, you can ignore it, you can focus on your business because you know your partner is keeping up with all of the trends and all of the tech.
What's going to make it tough in our businesses is the fact that we don't need approximate answers or guidance or what's the best hotel in Las Vegas. We need exact answers based on data, and all of us have got data problems.
Acme is fictitious, but real-world problems like Acme's are everywhere, and they need to be solved with speed, with agility. And that's why we're so heavily invested in the C3 AI product roadmap. These pillars of agentic AI everywhere, and data fusion, and developer hub, and AI vision, we believe that this is the future of enterprise software, and we look forward to hearing from you about it.
On behalf of everyone at C3 AI, our board of directors, our executive management team, our engineers, our partner ecosystem, I can assure you that it is the professional experience of a lifetime to be able to work with each and every one of you every day. And thank you, thank you, thank you for that opportunity.
Most people see things the way they are and ask why. I imagine things that never were and ask why not.